Okay, guys, I got a couple binders here that I picked up locally. It's just all commons. There's a bunch of duplication, but I got them for almost nothing. So I figured rather than kind of like separating everything and doing it that way, I'm just gonna kind of make a video of all the cards in the binder. And if anybody wants a play set of four of anything, you can mix and match, obviously, whatever you want. If you want four cards for $1 plus like 60 cents shipping, just message me and let me know. I don't know, just figure in case people want some cheap cards. Um, and from what I see, I pulled like a few cards out randomly to see condition, and I mean like the ones I randomly pulled out, like they're at least light play, if not like near mid. I'm sure there's some ones that aren't as good, but yeah. So if you guys want some cheap commons, just take a look, message me. I'll try to read some of the names in case the camera doesn't get the details as good. Grasp of Darkness, Dragon Shadow, Fume Spitters, Gift of Orzhova, Weed Dreadnoughts, Seagate Oracles, Piracy Charms, Spine Thopters, Course Skyfisher, River Boas, Mere Boas, Goblin, Heel Cutter, Flame Jab, Lightning, Sunlance, bunch of stuff. Sinister Possessions, Rugged Binds, Lose Hope, Death Rattle, a lot of stuff like this. Future Sight stuff. There's a couple uncommons. Fifth Dawn. There's a lot of stuff that's older in here, like Mirrodin stuff, Typhoid Rats, Illness of the Ranks. Yeah, there's Time Spiral. Definitely some older stuff for sure. We got Weatherlight. They're commons. Like I said, if someone wants them for like a Pauper deck, Universal Solvent, single cards for Commander decks, Scar from Existence, Eldrazi Devastators, Bone Saws, It of the Horde Swarm, Voltaic Servant. Yeah, Aether Spellbomb. Just like message me. 4 cards for $1. Pulse, Probe. Just keep going through here. Prohibit, Envelop, Phantasmal Bear, Diminish, Archaeomancer, Psychic Barrier, Gearsmith Prodigy, Saraviner. That's pretty good. Again, commons. A few uncommons here on Psychic Barrier, Crystallization, Putrid Leech. So there you go. I'll keep flipping through it. If you see something you want, just message me. Scourge, Shards of Alara, Gatecrash, Innistrad, and then there's like a mountain of. This was only half full. The other one's completely full. So let me get this one out of the way. Yeah, this one's very full. Overall, it's probably like 1,000, maybe 1,500 cards altogether. Definitely some stuff that I'm gonna put in some of my decks too. Definitely a lot of cards I've never seen before, which is always cool to get weird like things like this, and definitely some playable cards, but definitely some junk, but some cool cards that like I've never seen before. I'm like, well, I could put that in a deck, so that's why I figured I'd just kind of like, do it this way. Or Umbra, Evolution Charms, Sprouting Vines, Werebear, Prey Upon, Luminescent Rain, Hunger the Howl Pack, Deadly Recluse. A lot of stuff is. Yeah, this is Dark Ascension, I think. Kamigawa Conspiracy, or Kamigawa Zendikar, Original Zendikar. Yeah, M14 Avacyn, Dragons, Eldritch Moon. Yeah, a lot of cool sets. New Phyrexia. Yeah, Mirrodin Besieged, Arcadia Masks. Yep, so like I said, if you guys want any, if there's happens to be some cheap commons you're looking for, just let me know. Nausea from Stronghold. That's an uncommon, actually. Rise of the Eldrazi. Morningtide, I think. Iconic Masters. I think that's like the most recent one. Fallen Empires. That's cool. Apocalypse, Dark Steel. Rivals. Favorite Forge. A lot of Midnight Guards. Yep, I'm gonna get a lot of lands. Like lands all the way back from Visions, Onslaught, Invasion, Arcadia Masks. A lot of Tinder Farms. That's funny. Dark Ascension, Haunted Pengraphs, Time Spiral. Yeah, so here you go. If you guys want something, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with these. I don't know. This is just a bunch of commons, but I'll probably give it like a little bit, and I'll start picking through it and for stuff of my own. A lot of original Zendikar. Conflux, or Kamigawa, Theros, Tempest, Scourge, a lot of Strangling. So it's so weird that this is like Urza Saga. This is so weird that like they put all these commons in a binder. Like I don't know why. Original Ravnica, Odyssey. Uncommons, Claws of Wirewood. So yeah, let me know.